Have you ever thought of a soap made from durian? Durian is often called the king of fruits. It is known for its strong polarizing smell. Some liken it to rotten onions or sewage, while others, including me, find it sweet and fragrant. I wondered if the scent of durian can be neutralized in the process of making the soap. This channel is about aloe vera, so instead of using water in making the soap, I use the aloe vera gel. This is the first time I made durian soap, so I don't know what would be the outcome. I gradually dissolve the sodium hydroxide into the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel can also be frozen before adding sodium hydroxide to prevent burning, but gradually adding the sodium hydroxide also does the job. I also prepared the durian meat and mashed it so that only the soft part would go into the soap. I just eyeballed the amount of durian to be used in the soap. When the aloe vera gel and sodium hydroxide solution had cooled down, I added the durian meat to the oil. I realized I added too much durian, but I went through with it. The oil became creamy, which could make it difficult for me to tell whether the mixture would be ready for the mold when the lye solution is added. So after a few pulses of the hand mixer, I poured it into the mold. I did not add fragrance because I wanted to know how strong the scent of durian would come out. I unmolded the soap after about 8 hours and cut it into pieces. My curiosity ended. It smelled like a durian candy. It has a milky durian scent. I hope you learned something from this video. This is Danny. Thank you for watching.